In this video, we're going to be going over a clear side-by-side breakdown of Repurpose.io versus Metricool.com, which are two social media content platforms for managing your content. So these are two different tools with very different purposes. If you want to use Repurpose.io, you're going to be using it to automatically convert and distribute content across your other social media platforms. So say you have 5 different social media platforms. Instead of manually uploading that same video to every single platform, you upload it once and Repurpose.io will share and publish that content across those other platforms, so you don't need to lift a finger to do that. It's a really cost saving and time saving tool as well. Now with Metricool, it's a social media scheduling, analytics, and performance tracking tool. It's best for managing multiple social media platforms in a single dashboard. There's no editing or clipping, and you have full post scheduling across all platforms. And there's in-depth engagement, reach, and follower growth analytics. So this is more of a scheduler versus Repurpose.io, which is to simplify your content and publish and distribute across your platforms.